Hello students, good morning. In today's session, we are here to learn science. Unit 3, Energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. How do we get energy? We get energy from the food we eat. When we eat, our body transforms the food into energy. We use these energy to do our work and make all the movements. We do many work in our day-to-day life. Many works are done physically, that is, works are done by our body. Some of the works are done with the help of machines, instruments, and devices. So, the machines and devices also need energy to do work. There are different forms of energy: mechanical energy, wind energy, heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, and chemical energy. In today's class, we can see mechanical energy and wind energy. What is mechanical energy? Energy possessed by an object due to its motion and position are called mechanical energy. That is, when an object has energy because of its movement and position are called mechanical energy. Once again, I repeat it. When an object has energy because of its movement and position are called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two. They are kinetic energy and potential energy. What is kinetic energy? Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. That is, a moving object which has energy is called kinetic energy. I repeat it, a moving object which has energy is called kinetic energy. Here is an example for kinetic energy. The bodies in motion are capable of doing work. Hence, they possess kinetic energy. The word kinetic comes from the word kinesis, which means motion. The more the speed of the moving object, the more is its kinetic energy. So, kinetic energy is also known as energy of motion. Now, let's see potential energy. What is potential energy? Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. That is, when an object is at rest, energy is stored in that object. It is called potential energy. I repeat it. When an object is at rest and the energy is stored in that object, it is called potential energy. Here is an example for you. When the rubber of the catapult is stretched, it stores a lot of potential energy because of its stretched position. The more you stretch, the more potential energy it will store. And because of its potential energy stored in it, when you release the stretched rubber, it throws the stone with great effort. You can see one more example, bow and arrow. The arrow is held on the stretched string of the bow and due to its stretched position, a lot of potential energy is there. The more it is stretched, the more potential energy it will store. And so, with more force, the arrow will go ahead. Therefore, potential energy is also known as stored energy of position. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be transformed from one form to another form. That is, we cannot create energy or we cannot destroy energy, but the energy can be transformed from one form to another form. Here we can see the uses of mechanical energy. In hydroelectric plants, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. That is, the moving water from the dam produces electricity. Here, the moving water is the kinetic energy, and so it is converted into electrical energy. Windmills convert kinetic energy of winds into electrical energy. The kinetic energy of the wind, that is, the moving wind, rotates the wind turbines to convert into electrical energy. Mechanical energy of hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. The movement of the hammer applies or gives a force on a nail and it may produce sound or heat. Mechanical energy can change even the moving body to rest, and also it can change the body at rest to move. So, mechanical energy can be used to do many works. Now we can see wind energy. What is wind energy? Energy possessed by wind is known as wind energy. That is, energy from wind is called wind energy. I repeat it, energy from wind is called wind energy. We can see the uses of wind energy. Windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. That is, windmills use wind to make electricity. Ships sail by the power of wind. In olden days, ships and boats are sailed by the power of wind. Sports like windsurfing and kite surfing use wind energy. Wind energy is also useful for sports like windsurfing and kite surfing. Wind energy can be used for pumping water. Water pumping windmill uses wind energy to pump water from underground for drinking and irrigation. So, these are the uses of wind energy. Students, hope you're clear with mechanical energy and wind energy. Have a good day. Thank you.